Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add filter in your TikTok video. In this video I will show you that, so let's begin. So first of all you need to open your TikTok application. So after opening it you can see this is my profile and I want to add filter on my TikTok video. So for that what should you do? You just need to select at the bottom plus icon at the middle, select on this. Now you need to take a video. So there you can see I just take a video like that. And after that at the right side there have a lot of option and there have a option filter. You can see there have a option filter. So select on filters and there you can see a lot of filter is showing here. You can select any filter from here. You can make it percentage. You can add your filters 100%. So after that you need to select next and then post it. So guys, in this way you can add filter in your TikTok video. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.